Hello. So I'm here again. It's 12:30 right now because I've been procrastinating a lot on making a video. It's been a long time since I've posted a video, and I just had a lot of realizations on why. Number one, it could be the lack of pressure. Like, I know motivation is not everything. That it's so easy to say that I lack motivation. Like, if I lack motivation, motivation is not everything in life. Sometimes you don't have motivation and you still have to do what you know that you have to do. I know that I have to record videos. I know that it's my highest leverage task to secure my future. I know we don't know what the future holds, but for me, at least it's what I think would be the highest leverage task for me. And I just lack pressure. I'm still a student right now, and I live quite a comfortable life, but it's just wrong. I don't want to be like this. I don't like it that I'm comfortable being. Yeah, I'm doing a good job being a student, but I should give more effort at least. Like, after being a student, what would I be? I'll be a psychometrician, a well-respected profession. Then I'll do masters. I'll be a psychologist, which is one of my goals. It's well-respected, but I won't be satisfied with that. I want to be excellent. I want to strive for excellency. And so yeah, lack of pressure. I'm still quite comfortable with life, and let's say I use being a student, still a student, as an excuses. Why should I rush? I'm still a student. So yeah, but I still don't think I should be this complacent with life. What if something bad happens, like a financial crisis or something? I don't want to jinx it. It's like a superstition for Filipinos, knocking on wood to not jinx. And since I realized that routine just fails without pressure. Since I realized that I lack pressure, and it's one of the things that makes me procrastinate, because I just realize I yap a lot and I just don't go straight to the point. So I'll do my best to say that my next point's really short. And I used to have, when there is school, I have more pressure, and I don't have the luxury or privilege to be late, because if I get late, 3 lates will be absent, and they might give me a failing grade, and so that gives more pressure. And I shifted from civil engineering to psychology, so if I don't do really well, I will be 4 years in university. I will be 5 years in university instead of 4 years since I shifted. That will be plus 1 year, so I have to do great. That's one more pressure. So since I realized that how important pressure really is to be consistent, to give you fuel for action, it's just really simple. Because I used to have this. I'll show you my tasks. I was quite consistent on doing this evening wind down. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'm sorry for my lack of literacy. And morning routine. See, that's quite a lot, right? And I do some of these habit routines whenever I want. And of course it's only these 3, and this one, top priority, I will just put my most important task for the day, then I'll put it here in calendar. I'll show you how much I've been procrastinating, because this is not an automatic calendar. Besides like the automatic ones like my schedule to school, of course I will automate that. This one's quite automatic, but see, it's empty. I've been procrastinating a lot. And I just talked to ChatGPT. I didn't actually do this. That's how much I procrastinated. And wait a minute. I talked to ChatGPT and I decided to just cut it off. Since there is no pressure, these routines will fail. And if my morning routine fail, if I fail to follow it, it will just be bad momentum. My day will be just fucked. And I will feel like crushing and cramming. It will be basically cramming. Before I even go to the priorities, I will have so much tasks on my morning routines that I haven't finished. Then I'll cram and we'll just not do it. Next is, I cut off those routines. Only 1 task per day. Such a long video for just 1 freaking lesson. I should really work on my conciseness in talking. So, 1 task per day. And I have a script. I made ChatGPT do these 3 headings, 3 bullets maximum. But I don't know if it's the right thing to do, if it's actually helping me be concise, because I still keep on yapping. So now I just just fuck that script. I'll be improvising this to be more concise. 1 lesson is only 1 task, 1 priority task per day. This is for when you lack external pressures. Only have 1 task, which is the highest leverage task. For me, it's making videos. So, of course, for that, you'll need to have a goal. For me, it's I want speaking skills. Like, I want to speak like TED. I want TED Talk like skills in speaking. So, yeah. So, I will also remove like You know those mini tasks inside tasks, subtasks? Like doing thumbnails, I will not put any thumbnails here. I'll just make a very, I'll just put a title that I will think of on the spot. So what's important is I speak to the camera and did my highest leverage task. Sorry, I'm not really that good at speaking English. I'm still working on it. Thank you for watching this video if you watched it. I don't think you'll want to watch my videos, but if you still want to subscribe and you still want to watch my video, then thank you, man. Feel free to subscribe.